Hello everyone, you are on the Cryptohub channel. And in this video I will review and tell you about Helium Miner Panther X, and also show you how you can save $75 when buying Helium Miner. Panther X1 is an ultra-low power and ultra-long-range IoT hotspot gateway that works with different IoT networks. As an information converter for the LoRa communication protocol, Panther X1 helps communicate between network servers and end nodes. Panther X1, featuring a signal coverage of around 10 to 20 kilometers, runs at an ultra-low power 5 watt and can connect to over 2,000 LoRaWAN end nodes within its range. It is highly sensitive, safe, reliable, and easy to interact with and can be used for environmental monitoring, asset tracking, smart agriculture, and other long-range ultra-low power IoT applications. Compatible with the Helium Long-Fi network, Panther X1 can be used as a hotspot to obtain Helium currency HNT. In addition, this device supports instant block synchronization and remote control. Users can set it up within minutes at ease by using Helium's official application. At the same time, they can change advanced configurations on PantherX dashboard to make the device more efficient. Panther X1 sends and receives LoRa frames, modulates, demodulates signals, processes LoRa frames and higher-level protocol-related tasks, and eventually transmits data to the LoRaWAN server via Ethernet or Wi-Fi. Panther X1 Hotspot obtains the HNT when the device connects to Helium mainnet and validates wireless coverage delivered by peers. In addition, through the use of a proof of coverage system, Panther X1 can obtain more HNT when a Panther X1 hotspot is within the coverage of other Panther X1 hotspots. The coverage is subject to the environment. Filled circle open ground, 10 km or farther filled circle built-up area. 1 to 10 km fewer HNT can be obtained by a single hotspot, as it can only issue challenges via the internet and not participate in POC. Advantages powered by mature hardware solutions. Broadcom BCM 2711 quad-core 64-bit 1. 5 GHz processor. Semtech LoRa chip. 4 GB memory. 64 GB TF card. With a built-in ECC encryption chip, Panther X1 promises highly secure authentication and reliable connection. Ultra-low power. Panther X1 is equivalent to a 5-watt light bulb power consumption, with daily consumption of 0.12 kWh and a monthly cost of around $0. 28 wide coverage. Featuring enhanced 3 dBi antenna, Panther X1 offers broader and more stable network coverage, which grants higher efficiency for hotspots to obtain HNT. Large storage, with a faster running speed and quicker response offered by 4 GB DDR4 RAM. Panther X1 is more efficient in acquiring HNT. Its built-in 64 GB microSD card allows it to meet the need for the memory of the fast-growing Helium network. Easy steps to set up Panther X1. Hotspot placement. Easier management and configuration of multiple hotspots. Instant synchronization. Quick synchronization of blocks. Customization. Background configuration of data to enhance device efficiency. Despite my success, the Panther X has been updated, and now I will sell the available version of the Panther X2, which I would like to recommend to you for purchase. And with my Cryptohub promo code, you get a $75 discount. And for those who want to strengthen their miner with a more powerful antenna, the Rack Wireless Store has a promo code for a 15% discount on all products. I will leave the link and the promo code under the video. Thank you all for watching. Goodbye.